Walshy, will it? Recently, I heard about an electronic communication network, but what is that anyway? An electronic communication network, or ECN, is a computerized system that is used for buying and selling securities. It is an alternative to stock exchanges. It is where buy and sell orders from different market participants are directly matched, leaving no need for middlemen like brokers. What securities are traded on ECNs? ECNs mainly deal with stocks and currencies. While, what are the advantages of electronic communication networks? As alternative trading systems, ECNs offer more flexibility by allowing trading outside the traditional market hours. They also charge lower commissions and fees for trading compared to traditional brokerages. ECNs can also help to not reveal the identity of people who are placing large buy or sell orders. Are there any disadvantages of ECNs? While ECNs per trade commissions may be lower than traditional exchanges, the one-time access fee that is paid before you can start using an ECN can be very high. Are electronic communication networks meant for investors with a lot of money, or investors like you and me? There are many ECNs in existence today. Some of these are meant for institutional investors, who are investors with a large sum of money to invest, while others cater to retail investors, who are people like us. Can you give me some examples of ECNs? Some popular ECNs are NYSE Arca, SelectNet, and Instanet. Thank you very much for telling me about an ECN, Walshy. You're welcome, Super Cooper. Remember, finance is your friend! Hey people, if you enjoyed this video or learned something new, please like, share, and subscribe for more Easy Peasy Finance.